Hello, I'm Aaron with Mobility Motoring in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm here to tell you the benefits of roller ramp. So we sell converted vans that have a lowered floor and a power ramp for wheelchair occupants to drive themselves. So let's say they drive themselves to their friend's house, they can get there but no way to get in the home due to stairs or thresholds. So here's where the roller ramp comes in. So here I got on display a couple different roller ramps, two different scenarios. This one goes up to a one step. You can get these in various lengths and also various widths, depending on stairs, 2 stairs, 3 stairs, whatever. There is a calculation to figure that out. And then if it's just a simple threshold, simulation by this 2x6, here's the roller ramp rolled up. It's easy to unroll. Lay it down. Put it on your threshold, go through the door, and it is solid, stable, and you can get over any threshold. All right, so once they get in their friend's home, they had a good night of entertaining, they need to leave. Easiest way to load up the roller ramp. Place it on its side. Carrying strap. Click it in. That's it. Ready to go. So once your roller ramp is rolled up and secured with a carrying strap, you simply pick it up and put it in the back behind the third row seat and shut the hatch, and you're good to go anywhere with your lowered floor powered ramp minivan. So roller ramp is a fantastic product. It's heavy duty. 1,000-pound capacity, made in USA, suits our customers very well, very, very portable, fits in the back of these small vans with the big conversion on them. They work fantastic.
If you'd like to see what Roller Ramp can do for you, contact 1-866-883-4722 or send us an email at sales@rollerramp.com.